Hirsch is your water heater headquarters. Hirsch has thousands of water heaters from the brands you know and trust, in stock and ready for pickup or delivery today. Shop our wide selection of commercial and residential water heaters, including tankless, heat pump, boiler, and light-duty commercial electric water heaters. Get more jobs done in a day with our Hirsch Now suite of services. Whether you need a fast pickup, reliable job site delivery, expert support via text, or seamless mobile payments, we've got you covered. Want to put more money in your pocket and your customer's pocket? Let our team help you find the right water heater rebate programs for your next install. Got a question or need some advice selecting the right water heater? Our dedicated team is ready to help. Whether you need help picking out the right water heater, looking for the best rebates, or any other water heating needs, give our team a call today and we'll help you out. Bringing the heat since 1933, Hirsch has it.